Hey guys, I thought I'd make a short little video about my 2011 Ford F-150. Recently, over the summer, I'd put in a catch can kit, and it's made a tremendous difference in the horsepower of this vehicle with the ecoboost. You guys can find videos online about why you need a catch can, and it helps with the system. I've seen an increase in horsepower and fuel savings too. And it was a pretty easy thing to install. I installed it myself. But I'm in Massachusetts here, and it's been very cold weather, and the problem is my catch can is frozen solid. So I'm unable to drain it, and I'm worried about it overfilling and stalling me out on the road. So I'm here actually hitting it with a heat gun. I'm hoping this should drain it out after this. You know, it's amazing the stuff that comes out of these things once you drain it out. The unspent fuel and the water that's taken out of your system is amazing. But it's one thing to be aware of if you're putting one of these in your vehicle in a cold weather environment, and I don't store this in the garage, it does freeze solid. So I wasn't sure how much of this liquid that came out was unspent gas or water, but it does freeze solid, so it must be pretty high percent of water that it takes out of the system. So just one thing to be aware of. You're going to have to maybe thaw them out once in a while, and then when you have this stretch of cold weather. All right, bye.